Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to remove red notification dot on iPhone app. So if you want to remove the red dot notification on the phone app, which is this app right here, this app which is the phone app, if you want to remove the red dot notification on it, here's a quick guide on how to do that. The first thing you have to do is open the phone app on your phone, then tap on the voicemail. Then right here you will see the list of the voicemail message. If there are some particular voicemail message that you have not if not check, just go there and check, and you can also try and delete those voicemail, because that might be the reason why your phone app is showing the red dot. After that, and if the red dot is still showing, just head up to your settings, go to your settings, then tap on general, then scroll all the way down, then tap on transfer and reset phone, and tap on reset. Note that this reset will only reset your phone back to the default settings from the Apple, but you will not lose any of your data on your phone. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.